This is going to be a video tutorial on how to do a factory reset in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To do a factory reset in Windows 10, you want to open up Settings first. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner of my taskbar to the Start icon. I'm going to right-click on the Start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the Settings dialog box, you want to scroll to the very bottom, down to where you see it says Update and Security, and click on Update and Security. Then in the left side pane, you want to go to where it says Recovery and click on Recovery. Then on the center pane here, it says Reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstall Windows. To complete the reset, you need to be connected to a network and following the instructions on your PC. Click on Get Started. It asks you to choose an option between do you want to keep your files. This will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. If you're doing more or less a factory reset, you probably want to choose the second one, remove everything. This removes all your personal files, apps, and settings. I'm going to click on Remove Everything. It'll take it a few seconds here. Now another screen has came up asking more options. I'm going to click on Local Reinstall. Then you have some more options here. I'm going to click on Change Settings. Do you want to clean data? Just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. Or do you want to delete all from all drives? Do you want to delete files from all drives? This deletes all files only from the Windows drive. Download Windows, reinstall Windows from this device. It gives you a few more options. I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to click on Confirm. It brings me back to the previous screen, and then you would just click on Next. I'm not going to reset my PC, but that is how to do a factory reset on a Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching.